Now, a few weeks ago, I did a video about an app called Park4night. Now, whilst I was doing that video, I picked a place out completely by random to show you how to use the app. Well, I thought I'd put it to the test. So here I am in Tenby, in Wales, and I picked this car park. And there it is, there's the toilet block, just like it said in the app. Yeah, it's got a toilet block. But one thing it doesn't tell you on that app, and I will be correcting that, hopefully, I should put a review of this car park, and I'll definitely be putting, make sure you bring plenty of 20p's with you, because you need 20p to use the toilet. But the upside is, they're really clean. I would show you, but I've run out of 20p's, so I can't actually show you inside the toilets, which is a bit unfortunate, but there you go. So why stealthy vans? Why do I have stealthy camper van? Why haven't I made my van look like a camper? Why are there not stickers all over it, making it obvious it's a camper van? Well, I'm going to show you right now. Now, bearing in mind, this car park is well out of town, and to get to the beach, you have to walk up this great big steep hill. But there's an even better car park in town, but I'll show you why right now. I'll drive there now and I'll show you why I like to keep my van stealthy. So here I am at the other car park. Now, as you can see, my van just looks like a normal van. Now, this car park says you can park here 24 hours. It even got a price for overnight. As you can see, it says there clearly, overnight parking, a mere £3. Bargain, right? 24 hours, £8. Fantastic. And the seafront is literally just round the corner. The downside is, look at that, no camper vans or motorhomes. And that's why I keep my van looking just like a normal van. That's not a camper van, is it? It's just a full transit, right? So there you go. That's why I keep my van nice and stealthy. And yeah, I recommend anyone do the same, really. Don't put stickers all over your van making it obvious it's a camper, because quite often you will come across signs like that. Whether that's enforceable or not, I don't know, because it's not official. It's just somebody stuck it in the window. But I'm not going to put it to the test. I'm not staying here. I'm going to find another parking spot right on the beach. Here we are, another nice little parking spot. The only thing is, it's on a bit of a hill. The level parking has been taken. There's some cars there already. But nevertheless, it's free and it's right by the beach. Just the other side of that wall. There's the beach there, which is brilliant, right? Except for one thing. Now, it's free. But the only downside is no overnight parking for camper vans. Another reason to stay stealthy. I've got to say, this place is beautiful. I'm quite pleased I come here. You can't really see the beach. I'll go down there and show you the beach. It's absolutely stunning. I better lock my van first. I just realised I've left it unlocked. I'm plonker. Alright, okay, I'm going to walk down to the beach and I'll show you what it looks like. There we are, there's Tenby Beach. Absolutely beautiful. What a stunning beach. Really, really nice. I'm so pleased I made the trip. And it's absolutely deserted as well. So I'm going to go down there and have a little look around. Just a little fill you in. As of the 30th of March, the fee for using the toilet is going up to 40p. But don't worry about that, because this toilet on the North Beach accepts credit cards. Unbelievable. They've actually got a touchpad. So if you do get caught short, as long as you've got your credit card, you'll be right. But now I'm in Pembrokeshire. Look at that lovely old building. But listen to them crows. Oh, they're creepy, right? But you think that building's old? Take a look at this one. Look at that. That is proper old. That's St David's Cathedral. And there's tombs in there that are 800 years old. But behind that, even further back, there's another ruined building there that's even older. But the best thing is, apart from these old buildings and the sound of them crows, oh, can you imagine what it's like here at midnight? You can park in that car park for absolutely free. We'll wake up in the morning to that. Personally, I don't fancy it. Not with them crows anyway. I don't think I'll sleep very well at all. I thought my woodwork was good. Look at that. That's proper woodwork, that is. This place is amazing. Right, I need to get out of here because I'm going to get into trouble otherwise. So heading back from St David's Cathedral, I stumbled across this little place. Just look at that. This is a oh, I've forgotten the name of it now. Pembroke Castle. Now King Henry VII was actually born here. This castle's nearly 1,000 years old. And there's my little house there. Incredible. But more importantly, even more incredible is that it's only £1 to park here. And after 7 o'clock it's absolutely free. So theoretically I could park here all night if I wanted to. Look at that, and wake up looking at this. But have another look at this, have a go at this. This scenery is unbelievable. Look at that. And what a magical place. All for a bargain, £1. And there's no signs either saying that you can't park here all night. Here comes a traffic warden. Look at that. Another reason to stay stealthy. Keep your van nice and stealthy. That way you're not going to get hassled from people like this. Hang on, let me turn around. Let's see where she goes. There's actually a parking attendant just walked past. And there she goes, look. Didn't even bat an eyelid, didn't even look, just walked past. No problems, no dramas. And here I am at the foot of a castle. That's a big castle, and there's my little castle there. Right, I want to go and get something to eat. I can hear thunder. Well, it's starting to rain, so that's put the dampers on my day, and it's starting to get dark as well. I've kind of run out of time, unfortunately. Yeah, it's a real shame. I was really having a good time, especially at St David's Cathedral. Who'd have thought it? This huge, massive cathedral in the middle of nowhere, pretty much. But this little tiny village and this massive cathedral. The cathedral was bigger than the village, I kid you not. Yeah, proper old school stuff, like really old worldy. And there's like this moss growing everywhere, really creepy. And the crows, my God, they were really loud. But anyway, yeah, if you're ever in this part of the world, in South Wales, I do recommend coming to Tenby. And yeah, that cathedral's just down the road. It's not that far, it's a little drive. But unbelievable. And the beach here is fantastic. I'd imagine in the summer it gets really packed. So if you are going to come here in the summer, use Park4night, find somewhere free to park, and then make sure you get there early or get there late at night so you're there early in the morning and you can enjoy this wonderful little village. Is it a village? I don't know. Anyway, I'm rambling on now. The whole point of this rather random video was just to show you how Park4night works, that it does work. It's an amazing app, and yeah, just pick somewhere random and go there and just see what it's like, just like I've just done. Now I need to find somewhere that's got Wi-Fi so I can actually upload this video. I did find a little cafe, well not cafe, like a bistro type cafe place that had really good Wi-Fi, but it's about a 20-minute walk back that way. So hopefully it stops raining and I can get back there and upload this video. But I need to go now because I need to spend 20p. So thanks for watching. I really do appreciate all your support, and thank you to everyone that subscribed to my channel. I've got 3,000 people now subscribing to my channel. Well, over 3,000 people. I think it was like 3,020 last time I looked. Which is absolutely amazing, just blows my mind. Just imagine a crowd of people 3,000 deep. I mean, that's a pretty decent crowd of you all watching my little channel, so I really do appreciate it. And I do mean that as well, I do appreciate it. But if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, that way you won't miss any of these random ramblings. If that's what you really want to watch. Right, I really have got to go because I really do need to spend 20p. Thanks for watching, ta-ra for now, and I'll see you on the next one.